What's up guys? Good morning. So today I am going to go for a food tour. So I'm gonna hunt for some yummy foods, and then after that tonight at 9 o'clock I'll be meeting up with a friend that I've met a few times, and we got to know each other from PUBG. So check out my hairstyle today. No hairspray, just the hairdryer. I mean, no wax, hairdryer and hairspray, because why? I forgot to bring my hair wax. Like, what the fuck? So anyways, we're running a little bit late already, so we're just going to head straight out. I'm gonna bring you guys on a POV view of me walking and having those yummy meals. So stay tuned guys. So guys, we're at Yau Ma Tei, going to have some street food at this place called Wai Wai. Green dot dot. Today is Friday, 12:30 in the afternoon, and it's already so crowded. So guys, this is the back alley of one of the streets in Yau Ma Tei. Girlfriend is in front. I'm not sure about the video quality for today, because in the day you're not really supposed to walk slow in Hong Kong, because people will just say shit behind you. So try to keep your pace and not block the traffic behind. Yes, we are at the place. It's right there. Yo guys, so stinky tofu. 2 stinky tofus. We're gonna have some stinky tofus. Check this out. Super crispy, freshly fried. Oh yeah. Yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this stinky tofu. Then I'm gonna order another snack. Then I'll show you guys again. So we are now at Le Yan Gai, which is a lady street. It's a very similar variety of bags, fake bags, luggages, clothing, fake shirts, fake bags. A very wide variety of basically everything. And you guys, if you want to buy anything here, you gotta up your bargaining skills, because if you got no weak bargaining skills, you're gonna get ripped off here. Basic languages that you use here is Cantonese, Mandarin and English. But if you're Cantonese speaking, try to use Cantonese to bargain. If not,
They will treat you like a tourist. So we are almost at the end of the ladies street, the Leon. One more street to go and we will be at Lingham Shopping Centre. You can basically buy your souvenirs here as well, you see? All the souvenirs. Shades. You're a cab guy. So you guys get the idea? It's about all the same stuff. We're gonna jump over to Lingham Place and show you guys the mall. Guys, we are at Lingham Place Shopping Centre. I am exhausted. I need to sit down. My back is hurting. It's hot. On the ground floor is all the beauty style. There's Adidas, there's Mon KL. There's a Coach and Adidas. So I saw a very tall, very long escalator. So let's take a ride. So this is the downward section of the escalator. Not for people with fear of heights. This is a very stylish design. Lots of Mandarin and Cantonese words on the wall. That's a bar job, man. I look for a spot and then to show you guys the place. You guys, so the unique place about this Starbucks is there are coffee tarts, Hong Kong delicacy, rustic, what? Call this polo bao, polo bun. Coffee, paper cake, caramel danish, croissants, scones. Then only the standard regular Starbucks stuff. You guys, so I got a latte for myself, the egg tart, and then this is a green tea, peach jelly green tea drink. Wonder how it tastes. So I'm just gonna chill a while, enjoy some air conditioning, and then head back out to eat again. Trying out this shop called Beijing Fat Sister. What's up guys, so this is a pig intestine. This shop is Beijing Fat Sister. What I just ate was pork intestines. They also have other spare parts, as in organs. If you look, they have beef and then pork, and then they have some squid as well. So if you are not into the organy flavor, I won't recommend this, because even for me that I have ate organs, as in pork organs. I can't really accept the taste. It's not really my thing. So I'm going to wash it down with a little bit of dessert now. Mango mochi. Wow, this is lol. So this is a shop. It's called Qi Dou Dai Wong. As in, because it's mochi, the chi, it can translate to king of late. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Looks yummy. So guys, how can you come to Hong Kong without eating more stinky tofu? So my girlfriend there is buying another serving of stinky tofu, and damn, this one is really stinky. I can smell it from like miles away. I was like at the grey building there, and I could already smell it already. So this stinky tofu is called Delicious Food, and it's along the Goldfish Street. Yeah. So let me finish my stinky tofu, which is this with chili sauce, and there's a very strong garlic flavor. So, yep. So let me finish my stinky tofu, and then I'll bring you guys for a walk on the Goldfish Street. It's all here, all aquarium related, all for your fish fans. It's all here. Look at the Tesla, mighty sexy. Holy shit! Check out this van and the carbon fiber hood. Holy shit. This looks like a delivery van. So it's probably delivering fishes. Because you know, when you deliver fishes, weight reduction is the key for fast delivery. So this street and the one opposite is all filled with all this aquatic equipments, and some of them also carry different pets like spiders and scorpions and shit like that. So yeah, that's about it on the Goldfish Street. So this is a Gamhua Bingsat Golden Chinese cafe, and they're famous for this polo bun with a thick slice of butter inside. So can you see, guys? Right, so I took this for takeaway, so I'm going to travel back to my hotel, then I'm going to eat it there.